I have always been here, fixed to the ceiling, quietly watching everything below me. Before memories became heavy, this room felt lighter. Mornings were filled with soft voices, warm sunlight, and the sound of people moving together. I watched them laugh over small things. I watched shared meals, unfinished conversations, and moments that didn't seem important back then. They never noticed me. Why would they? I was just a ceiling fan, spinning silently above their lives. But I noticed everything. I noticed the way happiness didn't announce its departure. It simply stayed a little less each day. Back then, this house felt full. I kept spinning, unaware that this was the beginning.